Good morning, people. Yes, this is Manning's Man, and this is I Am Sure Sports. People, welcome to the channel. One more time, we are back again. This is a big one. This is going to be a good one. People, this morning I got up and I got some inspiration, and I want to share it with you. I got some lyrics to a new song, and I'm going to do it for you. Listen, I'm just going to do the chorus because I don't want to steal the verses because it's not copywritten yet. Yo, if you're an artist, take it. Take it. But before you take it, hit the like button, hit this subscribe button. Listen, welcome. Zimmy, if you have not yet, please subscribe to I Am Sure Sports. We're doing a good work. Hit the like button. And thanks to all our subscribers. People, the work is growing and the product is getting better. All right, so like I said, I got up this morning and having heard about the Elaine Thompson Herah, she get OD, commander class, and the upgraded Shelly. Big up. You understand me? Great. We appreciate that. You guys deserve you ladies deserve it. All right, but also just want you to know that she's leaving MVP. So we have a new song, and this song name Boss and Cut. Here it go now. You not ready? If I knew here I know. If I you name Alien, just boss and cut. If I you name Shelly, just boss and cut. If I you name Masafa, boss and cut. And if I you name Broadbell, boss and cut. From Bruce, James, boss and cut. From Stephen Francis, just boss and cut. From MVP, just boss and cut. I me say boss and cut. Me say boss and what? I me say boss and cut. I me say hey, boss and cut. All of the athlete, them boss and cut. A who for fault make them bust and cut. I know my fault make them bust and cut. I say your fault make them just bust and cut. I mean say bust and cut. I mean say bust and cut. Well, what feel a bargain a deal? Yeah? People, it appears that when the athletes get to a certain stage at MVP, they leave. I don't know what is happening. All right? But you saw that Shelly left and her career has been steady, run our fastest time. Don't know what contributed to that. But sometimes these things help to make things better for both sets of people. And I hope at the end of this, MVP continues to grow, Stephen Francis continues to produce good athletes, and the athletes themselves continue to grow. However, I think this kind of move, seeing that it has happened with Asafa, it happened with Broadbell the hurdler, it happened with Elaine, it happened with Shelly and some others. What could be happening at MVP is that they shift their focus. If I were Stephen Francis, I would say, listen, all of these athletes have developed, and as soon as they start earning big bucks or they are set to earn major bucks, something goes wrong. And maybe it's his fault, Maybe it's MVP fault. But he may be looking and saying, you know what, maybe I need to turn to other nations' athlete to at least I don't feel this way about my own Jamaican in terms of loyalty. No, I'm going to bring up a person name, and you need to check him out. This is Craig Butler. He has a channel called Unfiltered, close friend of mine. And every time I talk to him about his Phoenix Academy players, you know what he speaks about? Loyalty. In other words, he always says that his players don't leave Phoenix because outside of football, one of the key things he teaches them is loyalty. I don't know if there's no loyalty taught at MVP, but something is wrong. Could it be the management style? Because when you're young and budding in the business, you will take certain things. You will subscribe to certain kind of a treatment, and you will listen to certain kind of advice. But when you're on top of your game and you are world recognized and you have all the top records, some of that can change if there's no loyalty. All right, so could that be the reason why these athletes, as it would seem that when they bust big time, they cut from MVP? Could it be the coaching style, or could it be that the management is not able to manage the athletes at the different stages? It's just like raising your kids. There's a time when you have to be the parent. In other words, you do what I say. There's a next time of your child's development when you have to say to them, I do it and you watch. And then the third part is when they become their friends, when they say, we do it together. All right, and maybe that's the kind of management approach that MVP needs to take with that. I don't know, maybe it's there, but something is wrong for the bigger name athletes to believe in. It even happened with Natasha Morris, who left and came back. And I suspect when a person like Elaine has left, Shelly has left, then other athletes, Broadbell, other athletes could be leaving. Right? What is going on? Right? Is it the management style? Is it that the athletes are ungrateful? I don't know. But this boss and cut thing, it's a very frequent practice in Jamaica, even in the entertainment industry. You'll have an artist coming up with like me, big artist, just do that song, boss and cut. You have artists coming up in the whole game, and as soon as they get to a certain level of prominence, they want to change management and sign new record deals. What is the cause of it? Right? And that needs to be checked out. That needs to be looked at. Right? So what do you think? You want to hear the song again? Right? Listen, if you want to hear the song again, don't do this to me. Please. Hit the like button. You want to hear the song again? Hit the like button. Alright? Here we go. Give me the rhythm. The one I name boss and cut. 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 From MVP, them boss and cut. Elaine Ferg, hey, boss and cut. Shelly, boss and cut. Asafa Powell, him boss and cut. Rashid Broadbell, say him boss and cut. Elaine Thompson, she just boss and cut. Shelly Ann Fraser, she just boss and cut. I mean say boss and cut, them just boss and cut. From MVP, them boss and cut. From Stephen Francis, them boss and cut. From Bruce James, them boss and cut. The athlete, them up there, boss and cut. Me say them boss and cut, me say them boss and cut. I wonder who next I go boss and cut. I coulda me next I go boss and cut. Already one in the big shot. I coulda him next say boss and cut. I mean say every athlete just a boss and cut. You know, if you stop it athlete, stop boss and cut. Stick to the plan and don't boss and hey, if me ever give you the rest of the song here. People, tell me if you're a producer, you can sign me. Right now, sign me. A big record company after the one here. If you want to use the lyrics, check it out and check me out. People, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to I Am Sure Sports. But I am sure that this is going to work for MVP. I think they're going to shift focus in terms of how they deal with development. And I am sure that Elaine Thompson Herah will continue to develop and grow in terms of her career. I am sure that at the end of this split, both parties will be okay and everything will be well taken care of. I am sure. Are you? Don't boss and cut. Stick to the plan and stay loyal to those who brought you in the game. Don't burn your bridges. I am sure.